Okay, let's have another example in multiplying monomials. So we multiply the coefficient by the coefficient, variables by the variables. And when we multiply the variables, we apply the loss of exponent product rule. Alright, let's have this example. Okay, so let's start with multiplying our coefficient by the coefficient. So our coefficient present in our monomial, we have 8 and 4. So 8 times 4. Okay, 8 times 4 is 32. So that will be 32. Next, let's multiply the variable by the variable. So let's start first with the variable x. So variable x, we have x squared times x. Remember, we have an invisible one present here. So we copy the variable x and then add the exponent. So 2 plus 1. Next variable present in our given is the variable y. So we have the variable y here. Since the variable y doesn't have any partner in our first polynomial, we will just copy y raised to 3. So y raised to 3. Okay. Next, we have the variable z. So z raised to 3 times z raised to 2. So again, copy the variable z and then add the exponent. So 3 plus 2. Okay, now let's simplify our exponent. So we will have 32 x raised to 3 plus 1, that is 3, y raised to 3, and z raised to 3 plus 2, that is 5. So our product of these two monomials will be 32 x raised to 3, y raised to 3, z raised to 5. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.